This Labrador is very funny when it comes to food. He loves eating so much that he hides dog food inside his mouth like a secret stash. Even after eating a lot, he still wants more. Because of that, he struggles to climb and gets tired easily. To have fun, he plays with his favorite crocodile toy. One day, his owner patiently trained him and placed one dog food as a reward, teaching him discipline while still enjoying his love for food.